What's up, everybody? This is my second call on the Sunday. I just changed shirts from my previous video because I went to church. So I don't even got my company shirt on. I got a Pepsi shirt on. My brother, he used to work at Pepsi, and I just got a couple of shirts left over, so I just really use them to be at the house or to work sometimes. You know, I don't really got style. So anyways, God bless everybody. So this is my second call on the Sunday. I went to one in the morning. I found a leaking suction valve at the outdoor unit. Then I went to church, and this is my second call for the day. This one and the one in the morning were scheduled for tomorrow. But since I had one of my own clients, I'm actually doing a change out for him because he had a grounded compressor. His system was old, so we're changing everything out. I got that tomorrow, and I know it's gonna be a long one, so I decided to do the calls today. So those two calls I had for tomorrow, I went ahead and did them for today. The good thing is that the residents, the tenants, they actually agreed to it. So yep, so the second one we're going to now. Let's see what we find. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
I'm doing good. How you doing?
I'm glad you was able to take me on the Sunday.
I'm glad. No, here's my thing. Earlier is better. So,
okay.
Pretty much, we got everything set. I mean, at some point it was working.
No, man, I'm good. Thank you so much. I got some in the car. Thank you. It's dry. Now it's coming on. But the fan is not coming on. The fan in here is not coming on. So I guess this thing froze up. I don't see no water though. It'll freeze up. If the fan ain't running, it's gonna freeze up. But I hear the outdoor unit running. But there's no water in here. It started running after I did this. So maybe that's faulty too, but the fan is not running. All right, so this thing, oh, there we go. Finally heard the fan this time. Probably not the best thing to keep doing that for that outdoor unit. Initially, when I had got this out the way, the fan didn't even make a noise, so. Let's check it out. I really doubt it's that cap. That fan is hot. That fan is hot. That blower is hot. We definitely got a bad blower. $4.5. What does this call for? This is a 5. Alright guys, the cap is good. So we're gonna have to change that blower. We're gonna have to change that blower. We're gonna have to get this out of here. This furnace is from 19
93. This is, how many years is that? 2025. This is about 32 years old. 32 years old. Wow. I mean, you can't be mad at it, but the not to exceed limit is pretty high, so you know, we'll get them going today. It is Sunday, so let's get them going. Got a low voltage out of here. Already got that unplugged. Let me see what else I gotta get. Actually smell that motor. Okay. Take off the fan speeds. Look, they wrote on this black, blue, red, yellow. So last week I did 3 blower motors. This week, I think this is the first one. Need a 3/8. Thing's hot. One-third horsepower, 115 volt. All right, we should have this on the truck. Okay, this one should fit it. Need a 7.5 cap. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and swap it out up here. Sometimes I go to the truck. Sometimes I do it here. In this case, we got some light up here. We got some light up here, and we got this nice little work area right here. We'll leave that right there. Hopefully it's there when we're done. Can't be too much more. so the motor look about the same size. So I'm gonna mark these so I can know where they go. You know, when you slow like me, you gotta do that. Take that off. See, I got my mark right there. Blower wheel looking a little dirty. Don't worry too much about that right now. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and put my new cap in place. The 2 browns. I'm gonna go ahead put these on here since I am at a comfortable spot. I'm comfortable right here at the staircase. Might as well do it here. Alright, now let's center this wheel. Put this on there. Probably scoot this over a little bit. Right there. This side in. Okay. There we go. Really, I should put an extension on here. I might need to go get one. Alright, let's get this control board on there. Put our yellow where it says yellow. Thank you for the previous Super Tech that came out here and labeled them. Alright, I got my low voltage tied in. We're just gonna put these zip ties. These are some small zip ties that came with the blower motor, so I'm gonna use these. Dang. Alright, we should be good with that one. Got the power on. Got this back on. Here we go, baby. Love to hear that noise. Alright, we're gonna check these pressures real quick. Damn, there's a wasp right there. Alright, so this is my Superheat 15. Subcool is 10. So quick little check. Time to go. Quick little call. I did 2 calls on this Saturday. 18th Saturday. 2:57. Yes sir, baby. Time to go home. Time to go. Alright guys, that was it. Woo! That wasn't a bad call. Smooth call. I did one in the morning. We sent out a quote for that one, so that has to be approved so I can do that one. But we got this one fixed. We got them going, and that's it, guys. Time to go home, enjoy the family, and go at it hard again tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Let me show y'all. I don't know if I showed y'all the date. So Sunday fun day, baby. God bless.